For week 3 for 590 Advanced Technology for Education, every week there are 2 separate tracks of assignments. The first one is reading and evaluating resources. Every week you will pick a topic that matches with the readings in the book. You will find an app or a website online and evaluate it. The second one is a separate standalone project. They are not related. You'll have a different focus for this every week. The reason that you're doing this is evaluating resources is an important skill. You're building this permanent Wikispace database that you can go back to in the future to look for apps and websites to fill your needs within the classroom. The other weekly projects introduce you to the topics that are in educational technology that are important. You have a different focus each week, that way you get to cover multiple topics in the second track. For week 3, there's one additional thing. Sign up for a group on the left menu that you are able to use for week 4. That way when you hit week 4, you have access to that already and you can start working immediately. So your 2 tasks for week 3 are, first one, reading and evaluating resources. You'll read chapter 2 in the textbook. You will use Google search to find something online or in a website or an app or in a standalone piece of software that supports reinforcing effort and providing recognition. The book gives you examples. You are also able to take examples from the past semester's wikis on the Wikispace. You have access to those. This should only take you 1 or 2 hours each week. You are finding one resource this week. If you have 2 resources, it might take you 2 hours, but it should not be taking you 3 or 4 hours to do this. For the evaluation task, the outline of what you have to evaluate and post is listed here, as well as within the class. For your second task for week 3, you are doing an assistive technology paper or outline. This should take you 5 to 6 hours maximum. You're going to look on the list that is given and find the name of a resource of technology, a type of technology that you want to research. You're going to Google this. You can use websites, blogs, company advertisements, research articles, any of these things. You are going to write a short overview paper or outline that answers the questions asked within the week 3 folder about the assistive technology paper or outline. And the requirements are listed both as the 4 questions to answer. They will have an introduction, sections and subsections, a conclusion. There is also a rubric posted within the course materials for week 3 that gives you some requirements for the outline or the paper. As always, if you have questions, please email me so we can set up a time to either Zoom, which is like Skype, or talk. Thank you. I don't know how to get out of this now, it's frozen. Shit.